Good morning, my friends, and good morning, my subscribers. My American tourist travel bag get a bit of damage. The wheels, especially this small one, this one, a bit of the loss of the parts. So we need to fix it. Otherwise, it will be a challenge for me to travel. So I did contact some of the service company, and the first one, I did read them via Facebook. They give me quotation 200,000 Vietnam dong to fix two wheels plus 50,000 for the guy to come over to my apartment to fix. Unfortunately, they never reply me when they can come to fix. So I did reach this company who did fix my wheels on the same bag last year. The job was done well. The wheels still there, no damage. So I did contact them. They give me a quotation a little bit higher price, 300,000 Vietnam dong plus 40,000 for the gun to come over. And I say them, okay, can you come? They say, yes, sir. So they should be now downstairs in a few minutes. So I need to bring my bag there. So here is me with my bag on the way downstairs. Let's see if the guy arrive and can fix this time the small wheels. Let's go. Here you are. Seems to be it's the same guy as last year. Well, let's see, it's him. Yeah, it's him. Always come prepared. Bring the little plastic to put on the ground so it's not damage the bag. This wheel is completely gone. Yep. And these wheels he did change to me last year. So 1 year passed, I think from May month till now July. It's still in good condition and I've been travel a lot. So the guy come with spare of the wheels. This one seems to be a bit of too big. Yeah, it's too big. But I'm sure the guy will have a smaller one. Yeah, no, it's not good. Yeah, this one. But this one, it seems to be have a spare, a bit of smaller. Yeah, let's compare. So this one is a bit of smaller, and this one he bring initially. Yeah, you can see it's different. Yeah, this one is smaller. The small one is going to be good. Yeah, this one is going to be good. Yeah, this one, nah, it's not good for us. So we choose this one. Two wheel that exactly we need to change in our bag. The guy come always very well prepared. Have a bunch of the small bags with the tools, screwdrivers, different required tools, and especially with these grinder tools. I'm always worried when this guy come. Even this battery operated and they're using them. You don't see they use any personal protective equipment. Look on his feet. He doesn't have a proper shoes. It's just a slippers. He doesn't have any gloves. We're not talking even about the eyes protection, safety glasses. This time he is wearing these prescription glasses, but still it doesn't protect from the dust or doesn't protect from any small flying elements that can get to his eye. Besides this, he doesn't have obviously any ear protection. So when we talk about the safety, that's what the guy will do is not really what you should do in case you decide to get into this business or you decide to use the tools to cut the wheels on your bag. Look at this. I mean, will you put your hand in such a position? Will you use a grinder and such as, cutting the blade, such as close? I mean, absolutely no. But look, this is the way the people live. This is the way how people making money. This is how people survive here. On one hand, they survive. On the other hand, they're helping us to fix our small problem, like with this American tourist travel bag. Yeah, so cutting with a bare hand, no PPE, nothing. Using screwdriver without even worry that it potentially can split and penetrate the skin on his finger. It's hot. Yeah. Not one day he was not using his finger to try to remove. Here's a wheel. Let's have a look closely. Yeah, you can see how it's badly damaged. I guess probably in the airport when they are backload, my bag is just smashed it on the floor. And because it's more than 50 years old, it gets damaged. So yeah, that's it. And here's a new one, a new baby. We're going to use, or the guy going to use to replace the damaged one. Yeah, you can see this is a brand new, pretty similar size. Yeah, not from a regional American tourist, but I'm sure it's going to working well. Now he's cutting the second wheel, a pretty strong piece of metal sitting inside of this wheel, so it does take a time to cut. But again, looking at this unsafe act, right? Again, I would like to warn you, do not practice, do not do what you do. These tools have no elements of any protection, and the guy using just a bare hands. Yeah, so yeah, it's a scary, but what is it? What is it? Yeah. Yeah, very quickly remove. I mean, it took him probably 6 minutes to cut on the nail on one wheel, and then another one is already off. He's now going to remove the spin on nail, and then I guess he's going to feed this now. Yeah, so this one is another one he cut. This was not damaged, and he going to replace it with this one. Yeah, let's give it to him. So let's take a time to observe how he going to change the wheel. He's changed one by one of them. Yeah, a bit of the dust. Let's have a look how it's going to look like after he put the new wheel. Will it look like a original one or not? Well, let's see. Let's see. I don't think it will look pretty close, you know, very much as original, as long as it works, as long as it will help me to continue use my American tourist travel bag for perhaps another 5 years. It will be great, because I can tell you, I bought it 15 years ago. It's not a cheap bag, however, it's definitely well protect your luggage, your clothes, whatever is where you travel. Well, it's sealed. If something leak from other bags somewhere, it's not penetrate, it's not good to damage, not easy to open. One disadvantage, it's quite bumpy, quite heavy. I think it's around the 5 to 6 kilo just themselves, the plastic bag, but it's a solid bag. And especially when you travel to India or you travel to Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, I can tell you that's kind of the bag you would like to have. You don't want your bag to be damaged because there's some other items, you know, from other people, or worse it, that someone tried to open. This one, it's not easy to open, except if you have a master key and you know the code, how to unlock my my locker on my bag. So here you are, the first wheel is done. Yeah, it seems to be working well. Look at this. Yeah, I think it's nice. So here you are, he moved to put a second one. I think cutting the nails take him like 2 minutes and remove the wheel. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and then install a new wheel, maybe another 2 minutes, so 6 minutes so far. And this one, so I guess it's going to be like 8 minutes for him. Yeah, plus minus, you know, organize a workplace, organize the tool, you know, little by little thing, chatting with me when they're changing the wheel. I think it's going to be 10-minute job, and it costs 300,000 Vietnam dong and 40,000 for the guy to come over. Very convenient. You don't need to take your bag, you don't need to travel to the shop. The guy just come over. Very nice to set up the workstation and change the wheel. And as I mentioned, he brings with him quite a bit of different tools, because you never know what kind of the bag you will get it. Yeah, it's tied up here, very close. Nice. Here you are, guys. The second wheel is done in. Test it. It looks nice. Looks working well. He's on the back of the guy. You can see his phone number. Alternatively, you can read them on the messenger on the Facebook. My bag is fixed, and I feel so happy and glad that I can take this bag for my next destination. Thank you very much, sir, for helping. Good luck to you. Let's move this back and examine the movement of this bag. Looks nice, moving smoothly. And let's have a look the wheels. How does it look like after repair? Let's look first a small one. This is the first one, fixed nicely. Second one, nice. And this is an old one, also nice. So thank you very much for watching my video. In case you need to fix the wheels on your bags, you definitely now know who you can contact and who can help you. Thank you for watching, and see you on next video. Cheers.